mix it up a little bit today and give you a little idea of what it looks like going to work. Motherfucker got pulled over and shit. That big old water tower. So you cut through the shopping center parking lot. So you got Dollar Tree, Dollar General, ABC, Antonio, big old water tower, some speed bumps. Oh, damn it. Coffee splashing all over the place. Used to be a little hobo hut down here in the woods. I don't know if it's there no more. It's a little homeless camp down in this gully down here. So, but it's like a little shortcut road off the back of the shopping center and going to the house. Hobo hut used to be down in that hole down there. Speed bumps. Come up here. So wham, there we are. So we are at the house on day 43. All right, so today I got 3 gallons of sealing white paint so I can paint the living room ceiling again, a couple coats. And I got an 18-inch roller nap because I fucked my old one up. I've got all the FEMA seal vinyl adhesive caulking for the outside. I got some 3M metal fucking tape for the ductwork going out of the microwave to the back. I got the outlet in the box for the plug for the microwave, some switch plate covers, some glue, and I got a piece of oak dowel, 1.25 inches, because these old fucking baseboard heaters, you just cut a little sliver of this and then fucking hammer and glue it in the hole. So. And also, I got the ductwork for the microwave. I'm going to come through this wall and out into this fucking little utility room. And then you're going to turn and go up and come back to ceiling. And this is the kit. This is 6-inch ductwork for that. This is a piece that goes in the wall. This is a piece that mounts to the roof. So that's the kit for that. So we can go ahead and get a microwave hung up. So we are now at the beginning of the day. I'm gonna come in here and sand all this shit down that I fixed yesterday. Sand this place down on the ceiling where I can put the final coat of mud up there. And we're gonna go ahead on that fucking paint this shit. Get the paint on here and be done with it. So that's where we're at so far. So using the template to lay out where the vent's gonna be at, drawing a fucking line up there. We're gonna go ahead and stick a multi-tool now, put the sheetrock out, and there's a damn stud right in the middle of the fucking wall and like to cut through. So we can go ahead and put the ductwork in for that microwave. To get that home. We're gonna outlet up there. So we're gonna put that piece of sheetrock out of the hole. Behind it and vent that bitch out the roof. So this place up in the ceiling right here, I just got that sanding it down, stuck a coat of mud. A chimney used to go up to the hole. But I see where all that fucking shit's bleeding back through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fucking lightly brush it with some oil primer. Some oil primer stain blocking shit. It's like that. Now I don't know if we're gonna be able to do the full duration of our video to show everything we do today, but there's some kind of fucking power draining amp or something sucking my battery down. Lost like 15% of battery in the past couple of minutes. When I left this morning, I was at 100%. Now I'm at 79%. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this off and try to conserve the battery. So the oil primer is up, and notice I did that early, right? I did it early so that by the time I get done grouting my towel and all that shit in my closet and get the microwave hung up and everything, that shit will be dry. And I can take a piece of sanding block and just kind of smooth it off a little bit, and it'll be dry, and I can get on that fucking roll of sealing and shit. Because I don't want nothing at $33 a gallon for ceiling paint. I ain't trying to fucking have no bleed back. Also, on Saturday at 10 o'clock, we will be getting a fucking ceiling fan that right there. A box for a ceiling fan. The hole is drilled in the wall, and the sheetrock has made that. And the 2x4 is cut out of the wall. And it goes, you can see into that back there. See the light bulb? So what the idea here is we're going to put the ductwork in there. Gonna put a fucking outlet up there. Gonna come in through this fucking wall and turn, and go straight up and through that fucking ceiling right there with a vent. Well, that's the idea. That's what so you can have a vent over top of the fucking over top of the range. All right, now I'm at the end of day 43. All that shit's all grounded in that little closet. So pretty much the bathroom is now done. It's finished. I put a blind in there and caulk around the top of the shower. Tomorrow, I'll be up at this bitch and heading to the outside. Also today, all these old baseboard heaters, these old hot water radiator heaters, I took a piece of red oak and put it in their fucking holes. So what's gonna happen is when they come in here and sand the floors and stuff, that shit's gonna go away. Also filled all the little holes and stuff where there was coax cables, anything that leads to the crawl space. There's pretty much 2 of these in every room. So tomorrow, we're just going to clean up the whole house and then go through here and paint and touch up everything, because pretty much all of it's all done. I just got to, I'm going to paint the ceiling up here, 2 coats of Sherwin-Williams HGTV Home ceiling paint. High hiding, brilliant white finish. Ideal for smooth and textured ceilings. That's what's going on the ceiling tomorrow. Also, the microwave is installed and the oven is in. And up here, I've got the box that I'm going to put in tomorrow for the outlet. I'm going to put this for the plug for the microwave. Be able to use that microwave. There's your microwave. And installed a new charcoal filter. There's your new oven. And that didn't fit quite right, so I put a piece of shoe molding up there and sealed that up because of the reveal between the microwave and the wall. It left a crack. Now you're gonna find little weird shit like this, where the switches are fucking infringing on the microwave. It means I'm gonna take a little grinder and grind the corner out of it, because in this house it'd be acceptable because there's weird shit everywhere. Like that. A sideways plug halfway up the wall. And if you watch some of the earlier videos, you'll know that there's fucking plugs and lights that don't make any difference. It doesn't make any sense why they put them there. Right here. That's gonna be the vent for the fan going up out of the ceiling, out of the roof. So I'm gonna cut a hole in there and put that up there. Also, I'm gonna have to cut a hole in this and run a hole through the brick to put a dryer thing. So you're gonna put a dryer here. I'm gonna move it out here. On Saturday, I got an electrician coming out here, and he's putting a plug in here for the dryer. And also, we're gonna go ahead on and mock the ceiling, so he can put a box up there for the ceiling fan. All this little shit's all dried and sanded down. So it's pretty much our house looks like so far. New door, well, used door from the restore. A peephole. Right, so you can peep on motherfuckers. And wall removed, floor plan opened up. So when all the shit's out of here and the floors are all sanded down and all the red oak quarter round or shoe molding that I put down is installed, it's going to look entirely completely different. Here's a bunch of different samples of granite. I chose this one. That's going to be a granite. And the granite is called, let's see here, Luna Drift Level 1. And it's coming from Hampton. So this is going to be the granite, Luna Drift. So you can see, it's going to go up against that wall. Like that. It's pretty good. And you're going to have a high profile faucet. It's going to come up. It's a fancy one. An undermount sink with a polished and like either a half bowl nose or a flat polished profile. So this is going to be your granite. If you can kind of see it all together or not. But tomorrow between 12 and 4 o'clock, the granite company will be coming in here and making a template for the countertops. $1,400 for this little piece of fucking countertop. And an undermount sink and a faucet, which is about $1,200 difference. And they want around $4 a square foot for this. And the other place that's local, their cheapest granite is like $8 and something a square foot. So that's where we're at today. If you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section. And hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And if you got any questions, you can also email me at peninsulaimp@gmail.com, which is in the description of the channel. And I will answer your questions. So have a good day. The end of day 43. And stay tuned for tomorrow, day 44 of our house renovation.